Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. So I'm going to be talking to you about 5 Instagram trends that I just don't think are worth your money. If you want to see my top 5 picks, then please keep watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe down below. I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. I just want to put a disclaimer before I start this video. I'm not trying to come after anybody who has ever purchased these things. These are solely my opinions and solely me just being a hater because I'm broke and I can't afford any of these things. So with that said, let's just get started. Typically when I wake up in the morning, you guys probably do the same thing. I like scroll through my Instagram feed. There are just so many new products that people are trying to sell to me every single day. It's like another thing, another coupon code, another this, another that. And it's like, I love it, I do, but it can get really overwhelming. And some things on Instagram are just straight out ridiculous. Like some of the price points are insane. And some things are just like, why? So my first thing is the Balenciaga dad shoe. This shoe retails for almost $900. And you guys, I know some people personally who own this shoe, and I think it's really great if you have a lot of money to spend. I personally just don't know how this shoe came to be the most artistic creation of our time and also the coolest fashion trend to have. I got sucked into it a little too. I have the Fila Disruptor 2 shoe as well. That's the closest I'll ever get to the dad shoe. It's okay to even like the style or like the shoe, but to pay $900 for it is insane. Like that doesn't make any sense to me. That's like a plane ticket round trip. Is it the juxtaposition? Is it the contrast? Is it the irony? Because I just don't get it. Am I not fashionable enough? I honestly think it's the case. Like, I don't think I'm fashionable enough to understand why anyone would spend $900 on it. Tell me what you guys think about the Balenciaga dad shoe. Let me know down below in the comments. The second thing is the vinyl pant. I don't want to be walking into a room, sitting down and having everybody stare at me because I'm making noise as I'm breathing. I've seen some of my favorite bloggers wearing the vinyl pant and they look really great in it. But honestly, like for me, I can't even get myself to find a great pair of jeans that fit me well, let alone getting a pair of vinyl pants to fit my bottom, my thighs, and my waist right. I even looked on some of the more affordable sites and vinyl pants retail for so much. The cheapest price point I found honestly was $50 for these pants. And then they go all the way up to $500. So not only is this trend expensive, but it's just not a trend that I would ever get myself even close to spending the money on. The third trend, now this is controversial, and if you have this bag, I'm sorry, okay? Please don't come after me, but it's the Dior saddlebag. Okay, so I've had my differences with this bag, and the reason for that is because just because you're a designer doesn't mean that everything you put out there and everything is the most amazing, perfect, everybody's gonna love it type of thing. I love Dior, don't get me wrong, but the only reason why I have a problem with it is because it retails for $3,500. Like, that is insane to me. This little bag that's like oddly shaped, but what could you even fit inside of it? Like, it's so thin, I can't even imagine fitting like my wallet in there, like tilted to the side, and a sunglass case, and like whatever else I need. Like, I just can't imagine fitting all that inside of that bag. I would rather save that money and then go buy the Chanel Classic Flap because I know it's retailing all the way up to $6,000 and I'd rather save that money. So that's just me personally. The next thing is star eyelash extensions. Now, the reason why I'm not coming after the company itself, I'm just going after eyelash extensions in general. I see so many girls on Instagram getting eyelash extensions, and you know what? I've never tried them, and you're probably thinking like you're a hypocrite, like you should go try them before you knock them down. But for me personally, just being somebody who loves trying out different makeup styles, trying out different eyelashes, I just can never imagine spending $180 for a full classic set at Starlash eyelash extensions. And the only reason why I'm saying this brand specifically is because all the Kardashians get their, the Jenners get their eyelashes done there. It's the only one I know in LA, okay? But to spend up to $300 for like the full volume max set or whatever, to go get my eyelashes done and then risk my own actual eyelashes falling out, number one. Number two, not being able to actually wear my own like Lily lashes or Kiss lashes or whatever lashes that I actually like to wear. It's like a lot of money. But everyone I've ever seen have eyelash extensions on, they've only had problems with it. So I don't know why people go out and spend like $300 to do like these eyelash extensions that make their eyes look like heavy and droopy, and they ruin their lashes. And one person I knew got like bugs stuck in their eyelashes. It was really gross. But let's move on to the next trend. The next trend is the Louis Vuitton Arc Light sneaker. What is up with brands coming out with shoes that are just expensive on one end? They're so expensive. They're $1,100, $1,100, $2,000 probably after tax and everything. But they're these just arched sneaker that come up, and you know, like, it's different if it's for functionality. Like, let's say these are the best basketball shoes that you like ever had to have, and they're gonna make you dunk like so amazing. Yeah, I don't want to tell you what to do with your money, but in my opinion, I just can't understand why anyone would spend that much money for shoes that look like you rubbed toothpaste all over your feet. Like, I don't get it. I really don't get it. And sometimes I wonder, like, should brands just stay in their lane? Louis Vuitton, like, should you just focus on travel and luggage that you're really good at? Like, that's what you're really good at. So those are all of my trends that I wanted to show you guys today. Number one, I'm just gonna let you know that I am not rich enough to even spend, like, half of my money on these trends. This video is from a person who doesn't even have a job, okay? So if you're gonna come after me and tell me that, you know, I'm like a hypocrite or I'm a hater or whatever, yeah, I probably am, because I'd rather be saving that money for a house or my child's college tuition. That's just me personally. But again, I think if I was in the opposite position where I have like all the money to spend in the world and I can just spend it on a pair of ridiculous clunky dad shoes that say Balenciaga stitched into them, then, you know, that's a different story. Let me know what you guys think of this kind of video down below. Again, I'm not trying to hate on these brands. Some of these brands I absolutely love, but just because you don't like one product of the brand doesn't mean that you don't like shopping the entire line itself. And just a reminder, this is all just my own opinion. I'm just trying to have fun here. So please don't take it offensively. If you have any of these items, if you purchase any of these things, don't take it offensively. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!